Lexus GX 470 getting a head unit upgrade, retaining all factory functions. Alright YouTube, here we go again. This project is a Lexus GX 470. So what we're doing over here is we're replacing the head unit. I'm installing an ILX W650 Alpine. Adding backup camera, license plate with built-in infrared. Everything's installed back. You see no wires, everything ran through the loom. Thank you, Richard. I'm sure you did an amazing job. I'm gonna sneak over here a look. Appreciate it. Dun dun dun. 5-channel Kenwood Exelon amplifier. So what are you looking at? Front, rear sub, 5-channel amplifier. We retained the factory subwoofer. It's a dual 4 ohm, so we installed it at 8 ohm, which is perfect. Retain the front 3 ways, the rear components. Everything's gonna work perfect. Look how clean this install is.
To 32 now to see if you qualify for compensation. Hurry, time is...
Yo, God, got them tennis chains on and they real blingy bling. Draco make you do the chicken head like chingy ching. Walking Neiman Marcus and I spend a life 50-50. Please proceed with caution, shooters. They be chopper spin you like a deal.
Take me to Audio Motorsports in Carson.
Getting directions to Audio Motorsport.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, 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 in my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down. Yeah, 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 ready to gun you down. Ruler clips. Send a ruler hit, pull up on your bitch, gun you down, yeah, ready to 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 gun you down, ruler clip, send a ruler.
So we're done with the Lexus. Thank you, Richard. I know you're busy on this classic right now. That's the next project. So it doesn't stop here at Audio Motorsports. All right, let's go home, guys.
Rock on, man. I appreciate it.
Hell yeah, man.
Thank you so much. California rocks.